Did you just buy yourself a positive grid spark practice amp? You got some serious noise issues. I'm gonna solve that for you right now. Spark amp. Connected to a Rack Rider RR15 noise conditioner. I also have it running through an Ultra DI 400p from Behringer. Now, still gonna have noise. Connected, power's on, all my settings. I'm using my own Pit Driver amp simulator that you can download from the Towing Cloud. I recommend you do so because it's nice. You'll like it. I'm gonna use my Sketcher with Sustainer from Sustainiac and the Stonewall Villainous Slutty Wolf H90 pickup. Passive. 25k output. Ah! Mimics that of the sound you get from an EMG pickup with the clarity of a P90 pickup. Let's give this a go. Check it out. This is gonna be noisy. Get over it. Getting some get me and the amplifier at the same time. We're gonna show you how this makes noise. Helps if you plug your guitar. So let me tell you, on my amp simulator, I have the noise suppression pedal up in the front. It'd be nice if you could have it in the back, because I know on the web you can put one in the front and in the back. That usually cleans up most of your noise pretty well. However, it didn't work. I was getting ready to send this back, and then I found out that there was a grounding issue. So what you gotta do, in order to get rid of this noise, which is horrible, you take this USB from the back and you pull it right there and you plug it into a computer or anything. Just using a 3-prong grounded. Let's see if I got one later. Yeah, that's right here. This. Anything with a USB this connected to it will ground the amplifier for you. And as you can see, as soon as I plug that in, noise. Hear that? So even when you're playing, you got that. Hear it in the back? Instantly goes away. Plugged in without not plugged in. Who's the engineer that did that? How are you supposed to go down to the beach, Oceanside Pier, and finagle people to give you $1 when you got rackety noise like that in the background? Anyway, that will solve your problem. I would imagine if you could take your USB cable and you're down at the beach and you take a hammer and a nail and you stamp that into the ground, that might ground it too. But I'm not doing that. Well, you can try it. Let me know if it works. Anyway, if you got a spark amp, that's a really good amp. Lots of cool features. Unfortunately, it's got a noise issue. But you can solve it by plugging it into something with a USB cable. As long as it's got this. That right there. This big thing. Rounding it to the ground. Get rid of that noise. So like I said, I got noise conditioner and a high pass filter, and I still had noise. Hope that helps.